Different between two-stroke and four-stroke engine. The main difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke engine lies in the number of piston strokes required to complete one combustion cycle. A two-stroke engine completes the cycle in 2 strokes, intake, compression and exhaust power, while a four-stroke engine completes it in 4 strokes, intake, compression, power, and exhaust. This difference impacts factors like fuel efficiency, power delivery, complexity, and emissions. Four-stroke engine. Four-stroke engines are fuel-efficient and operate in 4 steps. Intake. The intake valve is open, and fuel is drawn in with a downward stroke. Compression. As the piston moves upward, the fuel is compressed. Power. After the fuel is compressed, it is ignited to produce the engine's power. Exhaust. The exhaust valve opens, and the exhaust gases exit the cylinder. Two-stroke engine. A two-stroke engine combines the compression and ignition steps on the upstroke and the power and exhaust steps on the downstroke. This process requires fewer moving parts for easier maintenance, but it does provide less torque. The two-step process includes upstroke, ignition, compression. The piston goes up, air and fuel enter the crankcase. The fuel-air mixture is compressed and ignited. Downstroke, power, exhaust. Once the fuel is ignited, the piston is pushed down, and the exhaust is expelled.